Alright, so right now I'm actually about to go ahead and make me some smoothie and make a protein smoothie so I can go ahead and get my day started. Because I gotta go ahead and write up this risk management for this FTMO challenge that I'm trying to do. So yeah, let's get to it. So I'm gonna show you guys what I'm about to be working with. I use whey protein. I use PB2, which is peanut butter powder, strawberries, almond milk unsweetened. All right, so I pretty much have my protein right here. One thing I do want to show you guys is this risk management rule I actually created. So I'm thinking about doing the 200K challenge and probably risk no more than 3, max 1 to 3% per day. And just kind of go from there and see what I can do. So I'll keep you guys posted and let you guys know the stats on that. All right, y'all. So basically, I contact support, got everything I needed to get, and let's go ahead. So I'm gonna go ahead and pay for this. So let me get my wallet. What's up, everybody? So basically want to just wake up and tell you that I actually passed the FTMO challenge in literally 2 days. And it's great to know that I was able to do it. And I post this all in my Discord. VIP students and everybody's asking me, how do I do it, how do I do it, what do I do, how do I do it. Well, to sum it down, basically all I did was had a proper risk management strategy, and that was pretty much it. I didn't really do much, honestly, but have a proper risk management strategy, and I followed everything through. I was not really looking to risk anything more than 1%. I just really had a good RR, so my reward was either going to be mainly a 1 or 3. And then also I was very conservative with my lot sizes and stuff like that. So I was doing 1 standard, 5 standards, and I was doing probably maxing out about 20 standards total. And just not really risking so much towards my account. Now, yes, even though it was 1% for the trade, however, my overall lot, like my overall account, I was not looking to risk no more than 20%. Even though it did say that you can't risk no more, I believe daily 10%. That's where I was trying to minimize my risk. So I know it might sound a little confusing at first, but don't worry about it, guys. If you want to literally get inside with everything and how I passed it, you can sign up down below the Discord link. And like what I said, guys, everything, well, I haven't actually said this, but pretty much 90% of my trades that I end up taking or took on my FTMO for the FTMO challenge, I literally posted all of them in the actual our Discord VIP and also our free chat room. So I just want to let y'all know that yeah, if you get in board, you obviously get all that. But most importantly, guys, I just want you to understand that when it comes to passing these, even there's a lot of other prop firms out there, and I know there's probably gonna be more coming down later down the road. But honestly, guys, if you just focus to a proper risk management strategy, you can pretty much max out on all of that. So I'm gonna show you guys everything. Right now I'm on my daddy duties, and we'll go ahead and get the day going. Let's do it. Yo, hello. All right, y'all. So I'm about to go ahead and get my homie's key. My son, crazy. Love this little dude. Thank you, sir. All right, guys, so I kind of want to show you what I got going for one of my accounts. This is actually one of my small accounts that I'm actually growing. I would say I'm doing a challenge, but not necessarily. But if you guys want to sign up with the broker I do use, especially for scalping, and if you want to have like small spreads and trades like indices and stuff like that, sign up. The link is down below. That's with Hanko Trade. You guys can get started with them ASAP. They don't do any verification process, so once you literally sign up, you're literally ready to start trading, and everything is mainly through crypto as far as like withdrawals and everything like that. And yes, I have withdraw from them actually 3 times already, and I haven't had any issues so far. So definitely sign up with them if you guys want to go ahead and get that going. Right now I just want to show you some of my stats that I have. I am actually in a trade now, but let me first show you this. So right now I actually deposit $173 in this account. Bitcoin pretty much took me to the top, and I like it. I like it. So I'm really trying to grow this account, man. I really want to see where I can take this account. It's very small on what I have it. Let me actually go to. So right now I'm currently in NASDAQ 100, but as you see right now we have $376 total now in this account. So I'm gonna grow this account, trying to get it to 1,000, actually trying to get it to more, and just take this account to the next level. All right, so right now I'm currently on my FTMO, and I just want to show you guys the stats and kind of give you some rundowns on some of the trades I took. Like what I said, 90% of the trades that I end up taking was literally put out in my Discord for the signals and all of that stuff. So if you guys want to get involved with that, the link is down below. But as you see, I started October 21st, and then I end up passing it just roughly yesterday as of recording this, which was on the 22nd. So I mean, 2 days. Honestly, I will rather say it in 2 days, but it's technically one. But I'm gonna just go with the 2 days because honestly, it really kind of was more than 2 days when you really think about it. But just to show you kind of my equity. So basically, we started off obviously with the zero balance as far as our equity gains, and then we kind of just started increasing from there. Then we kind of had this little flat line right over here, and then we had this small decrease, and then another flat line, and then we started going up and then decreasing down again, and then after that, just started going tremendously up. So that's good. That's really good to see that. And then most importantly, as you guys see, everything is passed except for the days, which means we still got 8 more days to go. So I'm gonna just be taking very small lot sizes just to complete the days. But what I really want to show you guys is all of these numbers here. So we end up taking a total of 40 trades. Our overall volume lot size end up being literally 165 and 60. Win ratio is really good. We had an 82% win ratio, which is really good. Now my average RRR, it is pretty low. And the reason being is because I didn't have a lot of my trades that I end up taking, I didn't have actual stop losses because I was monetizing these trades, and I was actually doing some scalp stuff, some scalping moves and monetizing the trades. And that's usually what I do if I am literally focused on the charts. Now, if I'm away from the charts and I'm going out somewhere or whatever, then I will put the stop loss. But honestly, y'all, I got to a point where I can manage my emotions, even if I see it having some drawdown, without getting out the trade and saying, oh, I'm gonna get out, So what I end up really doing was honestly, I only traded Bitcoin, right? As you see, we have Bitcoin. A lot of you guys know that, or if you don't know, now you will know, I love Bitcoin. Bitcoin works very well with Elliott Wave. I love trading Elliott Wave and wave patterns when it comes to crypto. So Bitcoin was definitely something I was looking to take trades to, and as you see, this is something that I've been doing. My lot sizes was pretty low just because with Bitcoin, obviously they have a tremendous spread amount, and volume and everything like that is kind of outrageous. So I just stuck with a standard 1, standard 2. I actually went with a standard 5, not realizing how much risk it would have took upon my account. So I didn't end up doing that anymore. I just went with the 2 and the 1. With GBP yen, I end up taking a bunch of GBP yens. Now, guys, when it comes to trading, this account with a 100 leverage of 200K, my lot sizes, I was not really trying to max out no more than 15. And that's pretty much where I was at. I was not trying to max out no more than 15 per day lot sizes. Now I was doing either $5 or I was doing $2 lot sizes, standard lot sizes for either gold or GBP yen. Now with gold, I try to do more. I try to do in between 2 to 5. And then with my GBP yen, I was doing a lot more standards of 5 just because of the risk part. But I was trading GBP yen, GBP USD. I only probably took a couple trades of the GBP USD. And Bitcoin was another one I took, and gold. And those are the only trades. I was not all over the place, guys. I only selected really 3 to 4. But I was not all over the place when it comes to, when it came to trying to pass this challenge. I was just literally focusing on what I know I'm good at trading, and that was pretty much Bitcoin, GBP yen, and gold. Those really were my go-to ones that I have. As you see, I took a couple GBP USD trades, but nothing like crazy or anything like that. Where'd they go? Right here. So nothing crazy or anything like that. We ended up taking some wins, but as you see, it wasn't a lot of gains. So, that was that. So let me talk about the trades that I actually took, and then I'll show you guys why I took these trades. All right, so here you guys have it. I have GBP yen popped up, and I'm actually going to pop it up on the 4-hour time frame, and then we're going to start from there. So when it comes to trading GBP yen, I like to focus on the higher time frames. 4-hour time frame is where I start. What I do on the 4-hour time frame is I try to look for key levels, major key levels, and then from there I go down to smaller time frames to start doing more markups as far as structure and all of that. But on the 4-hour time frame, what I notice is that right off of this area right here of this zone area right here, I noticed that we were getting some type of rejection a lot over here, And then also I noticed we were getting rejection over here. So this kind of gave me a clarity like, yo, this could be this is definitely a key level where banks is telling us something. There's a lot of rejection in this price over here around what 158,200. So, you know, as that had happened, what I decided to do was now jump on the 1 hour time frame. And on the 1 hour time frame, I actually posted this one in my VIP chat room. So I know a lot of us was actually eating off this trade, not just me. But I noticed that we had two things going on. We had what we call the inner diagonal. Inner diagonal is basically a reversal pattern. That's something formed through Elliott wave theory. And we had this inner diagonal forming right off of this structural equal high. So after I seen that, I was pretty much waiting on a engulfing candle or indecision candle on the 1 hour. Indecision candle is pretty much anything that you see like these dojis and just see wicks on top. So we were getting a lot of small candles up here, which was telling me that the market was weak in this area, which could be a potential reversal. So since I noticed that, what I've decided to do was then go on the 15-minute time frame. And then on the 15-minute time frame, all I wanted to wait on was price to break out of this trend line, this inner diagonal that we have formed. And then we pretty much got that right here. I actually took this trade right here because this gave me clarity like, yo, definitely the sellers are now in the market and they're looking to take over and reverse the market. So pretty much what happened was with this one, there was about a 0.24% of a risk, and then we were looking at a RR at least 3, so that's really good. Now, however, I end up cashing out this trade earlier, at least roughly about this area right here structure. But you know, for a lot of my students and a lot of my members, they actually took this trade all the way down here. So you know, either way it goes, it went very well. Now I actually did end up getting in the trade again, and that was based off of another move that we had seen, and I'm gonna explain that in a bit. So we actually seen a very powerful move, and I believe it was this candle right here. So we seen indecision with this candle right here, right? So if you guys look right here, we had indecision with this little move right here. So just by having this indecision, I was bound to say, all right, you know what, I'm gonna get in the market again, because if you guys look, this is where that previous low was at that time, and the market was not trying to break out of this area. So that gave me clarity that we can get in the trade. So what I ended up doing was going in the 15-minute time frame, and I ended up getting in this trade based off of these two candles right here. So my stop loss, I said I was going to go back to the 1 hour and put it from the previous high, which is basically here, and not risking no more. The same thing, 0.24%. And then my gains, I was looking at least a 1 to 2. I am riding this all the way down to this high here. So if we move this all the way down here, this is currently where I will be riding this trade. However, I know a couple of my students right now are still in this trade, eating off this trade as we speak, holding this trade during the weekend. But I already took my profit earlier. But either way it goes, where my profit was taken was literally right in this area right here, which is basically a 1 to 2, I believe. So it's still 1 to 3, but I was looking for that 1 to 2 trade, and that's pretty much what got me in that. So I do have another video that I actually just dropped before this one on that 12K day that I actually hit. So if you guys see right there, I did 12K in 1 day with the FTMO, and I will show you some of those breakdowns if you watch that video. Subscribe to as well and whatnot. But guys, that's pretty much what's going on. Now, like what I said, I do post a lot of my ideas and a lot of my signals in my Discord. So if you're not a part of that, definitely go ahead and get started with that. Also subscribe if you guys want to learn more about Elliott wave trading and how I really trade when it comes to this, and how I pass this challenge in 2 days, because I will be doing another FTMO 200K challenge after I go through the verification process and after everything is consolidated with them. I'm gonna go ahead and do another challenge so I can hopefully merge these two accounts to get 400K in that account, and just kind of just take it off from there and see what we can do. All right, other than that, y'all, I appreciate the love, support. Make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel if you want more solid information like this. Your boy Solo. I'll see you guys in my next video. Let's get it.